Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can embed the Google form in Webflow. So this is something that is very good to have, and here they are explaining in this article exactly what to do in order that you can actually add Google form to your website in Webflow. So this is how you can do it. First of all, you need to put your form fields. So go ahead and go to the Google form that you have. Basically, just go to your Google, click here, and basically create your form. So you could go here and create your form from here, as you can see. So I'm going to create, for example, a random form. Hello, option 1. And that's simply it. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on publish, anyone with the link, and then click in here. And as you can see, it is published. So you can have a shorter link or anything. But what you can actually do also is once you create your form, you can get the embed HTML. And basically this, what it will give you is a code that you can literally copy and go to your website. And basically how you can get here, basically by going to the dashboard, choosing your workspace that you want, and go to our website. Right after that, you are going to be needed to click on this plus button, then click on search elements and search for code. This is something that needs and requires a premium or basic plan, so make sure to have it. Once you click on this one, it will give you the access to a place where you can simply paste the code. So you simply have to paste the code that you have copied, and this form will literally appear inside of your website. It's very simple and easy. You simply need a plan or basically a form that you should create. Make sure that it is fully made and you have gone through it step by step. And the second thing is to have a premium plan, or the basic at least, so you can add the code in here within your site. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.